So I'm about to make a payment for a debt, okay, on this Facebook account, and the Facebook account was blocked or banned just because of a debt on this account. Okay, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon, and don't forget to chat this number you see on the screen anytime you have problem adding payment into your Facebook ads account, Google ads account, having problem paying for ads in Nigeria and so on. So let me click on pay right now. I have saved this card successfully. This is a Nigerian card, so I'm going to click on pay now. Let's see what is actually going to happen. Can you see now? I just made the payment of 3,000 naira successfully. Are you get what I'm saying? It was charged from my Nigerian naira card. So that is it. Let me click on done. You can see its current balance, no payment due at this time. Let's reload this page so that we can see if this thing is going to show on the screen, payment not completed. Okay, you can see the screen right now, no payment due at this time. You can see it. You can see everything. You can see this place 7:26. Today's date is 7:26. You can see this corner of the screen. Okay, when I check this place, you can see it on the 26th. So you can see it here, and this was paid successfully. Okay, so if you have problem paying for this kind of thing, don't forget to chat me on WhatsApp. I can help you pay into it using your account or guide you. So thank you very much. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. Check out the next videos we've been doing on this channel for more videos like this, and see you next time. Thank you.